Hi, Katie Gutierrez Miller here. Today, let's talk about being productive in your day. I am sure that you've had the experience of sitting down to get something accomplished. Next thing you do is you look up, an hour and a half has passed and you have nothing to show for it. You may have gotten sucked into that internet black hole of social media, interesting articles, silly videos, all those things that aren't helping you get your tasks accomplished. Or it might be that you sat down to be focused and you keep getting emails, then you have other distractions coming up. The best way to make all of that chaos stop and to get super laser focused is to chunk your day. So schedule your day in time chunks of about an hour. Each one has a particular focus and you only do that focus during that time. So that might be checking and responding and writing emails during that first hour block. You might have another one for working with one of your clients, another one for marketing your own business, another one reading up on the latest industry news that you need to be aware of. But during those time blocks that are scheduled, you only do those things. You will be amazed at how more productive your days can be. Just make sure they're the right things, okay? The things that are going to help you get to your goals fastest. And schedule some blocks of some breaks of free time in there too, because you're going to need that. But try chunking. Let me know how it goes. It's been a huge game changer for me, and I hope it will be for you too.